There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the ASA. My gosh. They're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots from the west. Look at that thing, dude.
Are we alone in this vast universe? This question has always appeared since antiquity, especially in ancient times since the emergence of the Greek philosopher Anaximander in 610 BC. Some scientists and astronomers have been trying to find the answer, and also they want to prove that in fact we are not alone in this universe. The following are 7 theories of the universe that reveal that there is no life on other planets than on Earth. The rare earth theory. Earth is the only planet that is the most perfect and special. In one of the books made by Peter Ward about why complex life is uncommon in the universe, in a book entitled Rare Earth, mentioned that life requires many things to support the perfection of the planet, especially the level of human intelligence that is increasing according to the needs of life. So, it is very unlikely that living things can survive on a planet other than Earth. The theory of the Gaian bottleneck. Living things that have occupied planets other than Earth are likely to have become extinct long before life was on Earth. The theory was put forward by one scientist named Dr. Aditya Chopra. Dr. Aditya Chopra gave an example of life on a planet called Mars. Although in ancient times the red planet called Mars had an atmosphere, but due to several factors finally the atmosphere on the planet Mars finally disappeared. Research on Mars has also revealed the discovery of springs that once flowed, but that was not enough to support life on the red planet. The Great Filter Theory. Throughout recorded history, the Earth has experienced 5 times a very great disaster as a result of all the creatures that have ever lived on Earth experienced extinction, and one of them is dinosaurs. The Earth experiences catastrophic natural disasters including meteor showers, extreme rising sea levels, rapid and drastic changes in the Earth's temperature, several volcanoes erupting, and radiation from outer space or solar flares. However, after natural events that make the Earth's creatures become extinct, new living creatures will appear that will replace the next life. It's different again what happens to other planets besides Earth. After the occurrence of a very great phenomenon, then there will never be a return of life that can survive on that planet forever. The Great Silence. Theory. In this theory states that the technology used by humans today is very much different from the technology used by creatures that inhabit other planets that are modern and growing very rapidly. Those who inhabit other planets have considered that humans are creatures that are still very primitive and outdated. They can even process the energy from the sun and various stars that they use as their energy source. And humans are not yet worthy to join their colony at this time. Solar system order. Often this theory is used in science fiction and astronomy films that depict a civilization that is far more advanced than human civilization. The early birds. Theory and theory. It is said that the age of the Earth is much younger than the other planets whose average age is much older. In this theory, it is said that other planets can still glow for another 100 trillion years. Perhaps this is the opposite of previous theories. Stigma about living things. Some theories argue that living things depend solely on biological needs, just like living things on Earth. But it is possible that living things on other planets can survive without the need for oxygen and water, as is the case on Earth. Lord Martin Rees insists on his opinion, which says in one theory if the alien is a sophisticated machine that can survive without oxygen and is very different from us as humans or other living things. Human technology is still simple. Maybe this is one of the most reasonable theories and is widely believed by most people. In fact, the technology we use today is not very sophisticated and modern. Currently, humans are only able to see as far as 40,000 light years from the total area of the universe of 46 billion light years. This proves that humans are only able to reach a very small amount of the universe. However, this theory makes humans more confident and continues to strive to develop science about the universe and to find out more about the universe. There are still many hidden secrets about the universe that we do not know.